Welcome to Xiaomi's state-of-the-art EV factory, where innovation meets efficiency. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to witness the incredible process of building the SU7, Xiaomi's groundbreaking electric sedan. With over 75,000 orders placed in China, the demand for the SU7 is soaring. To meet this demand, Xiaomi has implemented advanced robotics and automation throughout the manufacturing process. The process begins in the hypercasting area, where large parts of the SU7 are stamped with precision and speed. Robots then take over, assembling the body in white, performing welds, and applying adhesives. Robots play a crucial role in every step of the production line, from painting and polishing to fitting the car's roof and assembling the chassis. This level of automation ensures consistency and quality in every SU7. While much of the assembly process is automated, skilled factory workers handle key tasks, such as interior assembly, to ensure attention to detail. Once assembled and inspected, the SU7's automated driving systems take over, seamlessly driving each car off the line and onto the next stage of its journey. Thanks to Xiaomi's advanced EV factory, the SU7 is setting new standards for electric vehicle manufacturing. With its affordability, performance, and luxury, the SU7 is redefining the electric car landscape in China and beyond. Don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive insights